Due to this year's pandemic, many companies, especially in the performing arts realm, have taken a massive hit. This includes not just the performing arts companies, but also the venues that host them. So I really strongly encourage that you find a dance company that you can explore and see them live. As I've talked throughout this week, it paints a different picture when you experience the performing arts world in a live setting versus watching it on your screen. There are a number of companies for a number of different genres of dance. So you'll find modern or contemporary companies that have a repertoire that they'll often perform and will tour with. You'll find ballet companies. You'll find hip hop groups and like different b-boys and b-girls that you can watch, and you'll find that there are different tap companies. There's a whole realm of possibilities. You'll also find that there are some acting companies that incorporate a lot of musicals, which again, as we've talked about, have dancers involved in those pieces and those shows. So I really strongly encourage that you take the time to support the performing arts in those regards, because again, after this last year, it has been a little rough. I've known many performing artists and companies and venues who have had to close either permanently or temporarily, and there are many that don't know when they're going to be able to do shows again. So I really encourage that you take the time, look at what might be coming up ahead, and if given the opportunity, go see one of their shows and support them. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about another option for experiencing shows. I will see you then.